Hello everyone, welcome to another video of BlogHunch. In the last one, we have seen how to create and publish a course from your BlogHunch dashboard. Now in this one, we will see how someone can purchase and get access to your course content. So here, I already have a course detail page open on my screen. Now, what if someone clicks on Buy Now? They will get redirected to the login page. Now, if you already have an account, you can just put the details and do login. But if you don't, you can create an account. As I already have an account created, I'm just putting the details right here. Once I hit the login, I'm logged in successfully. Now you will see this at the top right of your screen. This is showing the name that I have added during the sign up process. Now, if I click on that, it will open two options. The first one is dashboard and the next one is logout. Now, if I click on dashboard, it will open a page where I can see courses and ebooks. These two tabs will display all the purchased courses and ebooks that I own. And at the right hand side, I have two buttons. One is for edit profile and the other one is for logout. Now let's head over to the store. Store is the URL where you can find all the published courses and ebooks. Now, if I click on this, I should be able to see this Buy Now button right now. And this time, as I'm already logged in, it will redirect me to the checkout page. Now, before moving to the checkout, we need to check one more thing. And that is, right now it is set to $. And I can switch it to INR. So if I switch it to INR and click on Buy Now, it will open the Razorpay checkout. And if I switch it back to the dollar price and click on Buy Now, it will redirect me to the Stripe checkout. Now let's click on this Buy Now. This one has redirected me to the Stripe checkout. Here at the left hand side, you can see it is showing the course details like the course title, the price, the description, and then the cover image. Once you connect your Stripe API keys to BlogHunch, we create the product along with the price details in your Stripe account as well. Now let's fill the card information and proceed. There is one more thing to share, and that is it is currently running in test mode right now. In order to run the test mode, you can put the Stripe test account credentials in the settings. And whenever you are done with the test, you can just put the live account credentials and you are good to go. Once you hit the pay, it will complete the payment and redirect you to the home page. And here, let's head over to the dashboard. And you can see the payment has completed successfully. And I can see the course that I have purchased just right now. This is showing right under the courses section. So let's click on this. And this time, instead of showing Buy Now, it is showing Start Learning.